In this video, I will discuss about new treatment for erectile dysfunction. Your query is solved in this video. What is Eroxon Gel? How does Eroxon work? What are the side effects of Eroxon? How do you use Eroxon? So kindly request subscribe channel for more videos. What is Eroxon? Eroxon was approved on 13 June 2023 under the Novo medical devices classification, making it the first approved OTC treatment for erectile dysfunction in the United States. Eroxon is a topical gel that may be applied to the head of the penis immediately before sexual intercourse. How does Eroxon work? Eroxon increases blood flow in the smooth muscles tissue inside the penis and the hardening and explanation of the penis into an erection. Eroxon is only for use by men who have problems with ED. It is not recommended for those who do not have problems with ED. What are side effects of Eroxon? Eroxon is well tolerated, with 30% of men reporting a headache and 1% of men and 0.4% of their female partner reporting a localized burning sensation. How do you use Eroxon? Eroxon is supplied in single-use tubes. The content of the tube are rubbed into the head of the penis for 15 seconds immediately before sexual intercourse. I hope you like this video. Comment me any question, like, share this video, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.